Welcome back to our new session of this class. And today we will be learning our chapter 10 uses of rational operators, logical operators, then assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. So today at the last sessions we have discussed more and more programs. That programs are for your thorough mind. Okay, means this all majority program which we have discussed is with the first operator with the first arithmetic operator. Okay, majority programs in Python are with arithmetic operator, and we have discussed it because you need to thorough it with it. And today we will be learning the uses of rational operators and logical operators, then assignment operators. As at our previous sessions, we have already learned it. Okay, as in our previous sessions, we learned it also. So as you all know that the rational operators we have studied on the previous sessions. See, I will show you. See, at the previous session, we have not previous, before the previous at chapter 3, we have learned about this rational operators and we have done a program with the rational operators. But we are going to check the main use of a program. Okay. So, main use. Okay. So, today we will be learning, we will be recalling rational operators, then we will be going to logical operators. So its main uses with the logical operators. So now let's just recall the rational operators. So here there is examples. I'll show you the examples after doing the program only. Okay, then only you can understand it more thoroughly. Okay, so now let's go. So the first operator is greater than. Okay, it's the symbol is used for greater than and it's less than, and 2 equal to marks means equal to, and 1 is to 1 equal to, that means not equal to, and 1 greater than symbol and a equal to, greater than or equal to, that means that, okay, greater than equal, that means greater than equal, and this is less than equal. Okay, so I will show you the example. So now let's just try that. So hope you all are ready for it. So please wait for a second. Okay, so now it's clear, I think. Okay, it was a small internet issue. Okay, so now let's continue. So now the Python is came. Mm, I close it. Okay, so now let's continue. So the first thing is that how we can use. Okay, how to use this rational operators. So that we haven't discussed. Okay, so we have already discussed about it and its main uses with the logical operators. But first, let's know how to use this rational operators. Okay, how to use this rational operators. So how can we use it? Okay, so for using a rational operator, so you need to write at least two lines. Okay, write at least two lines, like uh, a equal to int bracket, see, like this, bracket input, and again a bracket, at inverted commas enter the first number, like this, and closing the bracket, and the next line b equal to int bracket input, and again a bracket at inverted quotes enter the second number. Okay, then again a bracket closing, then a next line a by, you can use the symbol, okay, A compared by B, okay, may it will show you true or false, means this symbol recognize that greater than. So if A is greater than B, we will get the result as true. But if it's not greater than B, then we will get the result as false. Now let's give a print and the bracket at inverted quotes. The result is, and a comma. Here we can use an intermediate variable, that is C. C. Now let's run it. Say we have got enter the first number first. Okay, first I am going to enter 45. Now 21, and see I have got the result is true. Okay, at this program I will be giving you the out. Okay, so like this you need to do. Hope it's clear. So in like this we are using. So we can use any symbols there, like that symbol, greater than, less than symbol. Okay, so that's the main purpose of it. Okay, so now when we go to the examples. Now let's go to the example. Say 5 by 6. When at the first time when we give this, at the first time when we give 5, and at the second time when we give there 6, we will get the result as false. And when we give first time 5, then second time then a less than symbol, then 6 we will get the result as true, then a equal to symbol, and when we give 5 equal double equal to 6, then we will be getting the result as false. The first time we will be giving 5, second time 6. See the various operations can be is used here. So if you need, you can take a screenshot. Okay, I will say you now. Okay, so now you can take a screenshot, or no need to take, I will attach it with the note session. Okay, I will attach this photo at the note session, so don't worry. Okay, so now let's continue. So this is the main thing. So next thing, the third operator of Python. So the third main operator of the Python. So we have learned till the second operator, that is rational operator of Python. So now we are going to learn with the third operator of Python. Okay, third operator of Python is logical operator. So logical operators are used for some logical operations in Python. Okay, as per the names, you can see that it's used for some logical items. Like the logical operators only contains three things. Here, when we go to the rational operators, we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are six operators. And when we go here, there is only three things to do. The first thing is that and. This is all are the keywords. Okay, the keywords like print, the some words which we are giving in between of some words. Okay, the first thing is and. Okay, we are using and in Python. When we use that and, if the both statements means at first I will give a, I will show the program, then you will understand. First I will give a by b, then like this I will be giving c equal to a by b, then c equal to a by b, and after that when I use and, then like that c greater than b, so like that when I use, I will be getting the result. When I give and, like that when we give, okay, and a greater than 21, then if this two conditions, so I have now given here the two conditions, if the two conditions satisfy only, it will show the result as true, so that is written here. And if the two and if any one condition is wrong itself, it will show false, and if two conditions also wrong, it will show false. Okay, next thing, or tag. If I give two statements and any one statement got correct, like the now we have done, any one statement got correct, I will be getting the message as true. And if no state if the both statements are wrong, then I will be getting the result as false. Then next tag is not tag. if statements are correct, if I give 2 or 3 or 6 or 10 or how much of statements, and if the statements are not correct, okay, statements are not correct means the statement is wrong, means when compared to the program, then I will be getting false. If the statements are wrong, I will be getting true. So that's the meaning of these three lines. When I do the program now, you will understand it more thoroughly. Okay, now let's do it. So for that, the first line is common. See, the till the third line it's common. So now I have given that A by B. Now we have used the keyword and A greater than B, and then A plus B. Okay, A plus B, when A plus B, when I add A and so first of all, let's give a small equation. Okay, so you will understand it more. So I have given A by B, and next thing is that what we can give A by B itself. I am giving same way. So if this both are correct, I will be getting the result as true. So I will show. See, now let's run 21, 42. The result is false because 21 is not greater than this. And like this we are doing, okay, like this we are doing it here. Okay, so now I will be changing it. Now I am going to change it as, see, 2 plus. Now we are not using the rational operator. Okay, now we are using the doing the same program without the rational operator. Okay, see, A plus B. First thing I have given A plus B, and then add A plus B plus B minus B. So if these two operations when I give it is correct, then I will be getting the message as true. Okay, I am entering the first number, second number. See, I have got the result there. Okay, and when we use the and tag in additive operators, okay, and tag in additive operators. So the first thing is that and tag in arithmetic operators. Okay, first thing is that and tag in arithmetic operators. So now we have given here the and, okay. So when we give this and, the benefits of the and is when we give this and, this both will be evaluated. Means first they will be evaluating A plus B, and then that plus A plus B plus B minus B, that will be also evaluated. Okay, so that's the condition there. Now at here I will be giving example result also. Okay, so that's when you look when you go through it you can understand it. Means the output that I mean there. So I will be attaching its link. If you need, you can enter any number and try, or you can itself do the program. I think. May I just copy it? Copy it. See, that's all. This will be the result. Okay. Next thing is that we can use any symbol like minus. Then if we use minus in the both cases, it will be subtracted. Okay. So hope it's clear. So you can use various tags and you can self understand it more clearly. Next tag is or tag. So or tag in arithmetic or tag. Next tag is and. So and tag, some more things are reminds. And tag in rational operator. Okay. So next thing which we are going to discuss is and tag in rational operators. Okay. So and tag in rational operators. So what we will be using rational operators. So this rational operator, this logical operators, main uses are with rational operators and that operator. Okay. So now let's continue. Next thing is that so next and tag use. That is in rational operator. So rational operator, let's go. So I am now just adding a rational operator here. A by B. A by B. A by B by B. So if the both operations, now let's do it. 56, 72. The result is false. Okay. See like this we are giving. So I will be only giving a small digit. Otherwise you can't understand it. Okay. So here I am giving. See the result is true. See like this you need to do. Hope it's clear. We did not need to cut it. It might be here. Just hope. Okay, so like this you need to do. Okay, I will be attaching this all things at the note session. Okay, see at a portal note session I will be attaching it. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you need, I will send the link once again. It's not coming. Okay, so now let's continue. So that's okay. So the next thing which I will be adding example result also. Okay, in these cases we need to use it, and after the next class sometimes it might be on Tuesday or sometimes it might be on tomorrow morning, and you will be knowing it before today, I think 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Okay, sometimes there will be class at tomorrow morning, that all we doesn't know. So now let's continue. Okay, so the example result, I will be now giving you here the example result. A results example. So this is the example result. So hope it's clear. So this is the various purpose of ands. Means when we see that at the at first there is what at first there is arithmetic operator and it's also six. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this int will not include on that. Okay, no need to include this all are the main symbols, so that also six. Every operators are six excluding this assignment operators. Okay, see this also rational operators also six, and logical operators while seeing it six but it has two parts, so we can also conclude and say that it's also have six parts. Okay, so now let's continue. So the and tag is now okay. So next tag which we are using is or tag. Or tag in arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators or tag have a big function. Okay, big function means I will show you. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Let's enter the program again. Okay. A equal to int bracket input. So hope you have by hearted with the first line. Okay, every time the first line is compulsory. Okay, I think it it ran to a error. May I just reload? Sometimes in this Python in your software will be also get errored. So that time you just want to reload that page. Okay. So that time it will be okay. See now it's okay. Enter the first number. Then again the bracket closing. Then b equal to int bracket input and again a bracket at inverted quotes enter the second number and at all the bracket closing then c equal to so c equal to let's give that a plus b then or what we can give a plus 6. Now I am going to give you print bracket and inverted quotes into the first so at inverted quotes the result is under comma c. So enter the first number. See now you can see that the result is 5 means at the first case a plus b. So a plus b means 2 plus 3. That's equal to 5 or a plus 6. So a plus 6 haven't evaluated there. So that means any one thing will be solved there. So sometimes the second one is solving rarely. Okay. Means at many programs I have seen at Python second or tag when we use the first one is mostly concentrated. Okay. And example I will attach the example result now. I will be attaching this at the note session also. So if you need, you can go there and take the screenshots. Okay. So no need to click on the button and hurry up to take the screenshots. It's there in your note session. Means at any time which you need, you can go there and take. Okay. It has no expiry. Or it will be not invalid. Okay. So at any time you can access it, the notes after the classes or the batch is overing also you can access it. Okay. Now next thing. So or tag. Next thing is that or tag in next thing or tag in rational operators. Okay. Or tag in rational operators. So rational operators. So at the first thing we are going to do it again. We are just changing the operators to the rational operators. I will be giving you low values, okay, like 5 or 2, so you can understand it. See, the result is true because the any one of this program is correct. The two programs are correct. So we got the I will be making mistake in one program. plus 6. The result is false. Okay, if any one program, this both programs are wrong here. So we can do a true process. See, the result is false. So this is a program. Hope it's clear. The both are wrong. That is the main use of raw or tag. It's used to find the mistakes. So now I will be pasting here the sample result also. That's all. The example result also I have this there. So this all about the logical operators. Okay. Next thing is that assignment operators. The fourth and last part is assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators. I think within the next class, I will be ending this batch. Okay, and we'll be starting with the next batch soon. This Learn Python batch will be ended soon within the 2 or 3 classes. Next. Okay, so assignment operators. So assignment operators we are going to discuss it now. Okay, so assignments. So assignments you all like. So it's not related to that. Okay, so assignment operators like we are doing like this. I will show you. Okay, assignment operators is nothing like this. When I give a equal to, so when I give a equal to 5 and when at the next line when I give at the next line when I give a equal to 7 and at next line when I give print when I give at the next line when I give that b equal to a plus a and at next line print bracket at inverted quotes the result, let's run it soon, is, and I close the inverted comma, then I will put a comma, then I will put here b. So when I run this, what will I get? So now let's run it. See, we haven't collected the number, so we can do it with the collection of numbers. Okay, no, we can do it in this method itself. First of all, okay, so let's do. Now when I run this, I'll be getting the result is 14. So it's because I have given the numbers. So like this also you can enter the program, but it's not at all that much of good. Okay, that's I want to say. Okay, it's only you can write this program if the question is asked to type the program in arithmetic operators. Okay, bracket how to type program in assignment operator way. So this is the way of we are learning multi-line Python program, but this is the clear and original way of assignment operator in Python. Okay, this is the way. Okay, this is the way to get it. Okay, so the next thing is that when we are giving like this, so we will be getting the result. The result we will be getting sample result, example result I will be pasting here. So the result is result. So result I will get is, I got is this. I will show you here. See, the result we got is 14. The result is 14. So that's the result which we have got it there. Okay. So hope it's also clear. So now let's go for the next thing. Then some. Yeah. So this is that thing. Okay. Hope it's clear. So the next way I'm going to do it. The same program. A equal to 5 inverted quotes. Okay. 5 at inverted quote. I have used inverted quotes also. Next is next also a equal to, so it will be better if you use different variables. Okay, means at time sometimes there might be a and c we can use. A and c. Okay, so like this you can use. So the result we got will be 12. Next thing, now I am just giving it at inverted quotes. Now I am giving a and c. Now, when I give the next line, now you see the program. Okay, so when I just give it both in inverted code, I'm putting, let's do it in the programming panel first, and then let's go and do at our class note session. See, now when I run this, the result will be 57. See, 5 and 7 will be printed there. You have seen it. Yeah. Now, when we go type b equal to a plus b, then when I give print bracket inverted quotes, the result is, and I inverted quotes closing comma b, and now result we got is, see this. So I will be now pasting the result. See, this is the result which we got. Cheers. Now I hope it's clear. So this is the way. This is the way in which assignment operators tell us how to use. So today it's Friday, so I will be here till 45 to 50. Okay, till 9:45 to 50 to solve your doubts. So if you have any doubts, you can put there. And some email doubts also pending. That results I have sent uh, the email sender uh, in email itself to ask the reply, but some doubts have been rarely selected, and that doubts we'll be discussing now. So hope it's clear how to type program in assignment operators way. At the next class we will be just going with its all revision, and at all we will be ending the batch. Okay, so ending this learn Python batch after the next 2 or 3 classes. Okay, so now let's I have some selected some randomly emailed doubts. So the first doubts, let's go. So I have sent its answers also in their mail, and I have also pasted it here. Okay, the first doubt which we got is, how do I write a multi, there are 20 doubts, 20 selected doubts. How can I write a multi-line program in Python? So as we are learning now, also we are writing the multi-line program. Okay, in Python you can write a multi-line program by simply writing multiple line of codes one after the other without any special syntax. Python use line breaks to separate statements. Okay, so like this, as we are doing now, like that you can do. Okay, so the second now, what is the syntax for defining variables in Python? In Python, you can define a variable by assigning a value to it. Okay, means if he has asked that how can we the question is that may I just go with the question? So what is the syntax for defining a variable in Python? So means like this. Okay, see it's a variable. So now I have given here a. So it's a variable. So what is the syntax? So we can say give it by giving a value there. See the example num1 equal to 10. So we have given a value. So that's the syntax. Okay, you can define the syntax by assigning a value there. Okay. Next thing, how can I get user input for the two numbers to find the difference as we have studied at the second chapter? See this, see like this you can do num1 equal to imd bracket input bracket inverted commas and then the first number. See like this you can do. Okay, so hope it's clear. Next thing, next now, what is what is the operator used for subtraction in Python? So the minus symbol. Okay, the assignment operator we have studied it in the assignment operator. The operator which is used for subtraction, that is minus symbol. Okay. Next now, how can I assign the user input to variables? So you can assign user input to variables by using the equal to along or equal to operator along with the input function. See, for how can you assign a variable? That's simple, yeah. See, now I have given here num1. So num1 is a variable. So that I put a equal to and I put int bracket, input bracket, and the first number. So like this, when I give it here, I have assigned a value. See, a big value I have assigned it. See, first thing I have assigned him a value to collect an integer number from the user. See, like this you can assign a value. Okay, so hope that doubt is also clear. So next doubt, should I? These doubts are already given on me in my mail, and I have already replied them. So that replies, and I am explaining it to you all. Okay, this all are the randomly selected doubts which I think more can come. Okay. Next thing, how can I calculate the difference between two numbers in pi? So you can calculate the difference between two numbers by subtracting one from another. See like this we have done. See difference equal to num1 minus num2. Like first 15 lines we will be using, and at the third line we will be using like this. Then at the next line print that we have done in the chapter 2. Okay. So if you watch its replay, you can understand more. Next thing, should I perform any type conversation on the user input? Yes, you should convert the user input to appropriate data type. In this case, you can use the and bracket tag function to convert the input to an integer. So there he has asked that do I need to convert it? Okay, do I need to convert that result? Okay, into something. Okay, so you need to use this tag. Okay, int. Then only it can understand that it's an integer. So that's also a type of conversion that you did not need to use a special program or etc. Just use the tag int. See, as we are doing it here, num1 equal to int bracket input bracket like that. Okay, so hope it's clear. Next one, how do I calculate the difference between two that we have discussed here? Next thing that can I calculate can I exit out, can I use the print bracket that function to display the result? Yeah, yes, you can probably use that function to print the result like this. Print at inverted quotes the difference is and inverted quotes closing then comma the difference. See, like we have done before. Next thing, are there any specific naming convenience for variable in Python? Yes, there are naming conversations in Python. Okay, variable names should be descriptive and follow the snake case naming conversation. Snake case means I have already said that it's case sensitive. So case sensitive means only lowercase letters. Okay, only lowercase letters. So that's also said as snake case. Okay, snake case letters. Next thing, should I include any comments in Python program to make it more readable? Okay, so this doubt we will be doing as a program itself. Okay, some special selected doubts will be done like a program itself. Selected. So this is the top selected doubt. So if you need to add a thing like uh, any comments that to make it readable, so you can use. So for that, the reply is you can use slash hashtag tag. Okay, means when we enter hashtag hello, we can see it, but the user bracket we can see it, but user can't. Means in between we can add hashtag like that, user can't. So okay, so but the user can't see this, but we can see this for just making the program more readable. Okay, so that he has asked, it's a good doubt. Okay, congratulations, it's a good doubt. Okay, so now let's go. Continue. So including comments, it's a good practice to make your code more readable and understandable. You can add comments using the slash symbol. Okay, next thing. How do I handle error cases? Such as if the user enters a non-numeric variable. You can handle error cases by expectation handling. For example, you can use a try expect block to catch any value error that occurs when converting user input to an integer. So that all we are learning later. Okay, so that means we want to, that block means we want the user not to enter, okay, not to enter any non-numeric value that you can include in the first line or second line. Okay, numeric value. Okay, next thing, can I use indentation to structure my code in Python? Yes, Python uses indentation to define the structures of code. Indentation is important for growing statements and defining block of code. So it's you can. Okay, next now, what is the purpose of using the input function in Python? So the input function allows you to get user input from command line. It describes a prompt to the user and waits for them to enter the data. So it means the prompts means this. And when we do like that, the user will be getting a program. The user will be getting that enter the first number. So that's the thing which is explaining it here. Okay. Next thing. How can I display a message to prompt the user? You can use the print function to display a message or prompt to user before the input function. Okay, like you can use print bracket under a number. So that also you can use, but the number will not be printed. Okay, so but the number will not be printed. The example if you use like that. Next thing, should I include any error checking or validation for the user input? It's a good practice to include error checking and validation for the user. You can use conditional statements or loops to check. Okay, like I have said before. Next thing, are there any built-in functions or libraries in Python that can help the numeric calculations? Python provides several built-in functions and libraries for number calculation. Some includes apps like mathematics, decimals, and everything. Next thing, can I multiply assignment submission to assign values to variables? Yes, you can. See, like as we have done at the assignment operators. Next doubt, how can I handle cases where the second number is greater than and the first number? You can handle that cases by using conditional statements. For example, you can check if the second number is greater than the first number and take appropriate action. Action based on the result. Is there next doubt? Is there a specific format or style guide I should follow when writing Python code? Yes, Python has a style. The style of the Python is called PEP8. Okay, PEP8, the style which we are writing now. It provides guidelines for writing clean, readable, and constant Python code. Following the PEP8 style guide is recommended. So we are following that style. How can I ensure that my code is efficient and optimized for performance? I ensure code efficiency and performance. You can follow best practices such as avoiding unnecessary computations, optimizing programs, and using appropriate data structures. Additionally, profiling and benchmarking tools that can help identify proficiency block lengths in your code. Okay, so hope it's clear. So this much only doubts. Okay. So within the next 2 or 3 classes, we can go to the next session, which is called. We can just wind up our batch. Okay. So after 2 or 3 classes. Okay. So hope you are clear with it. So thank you for listening to the class patiently. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.